Hey everyone, welcome back to Mandani Bay's exclusive. My name is Reyneir. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick sneak peek and a construction update of one of Mandani Bay's spectacular highlight, and that's the waterfront and boardwalk, where right now there is an ongoing Mandani Bay Dragon Boat Regatta 2022, the first Dragon Boat race in Mandani City. Let's take a look. Mandani Bay, impressive features. Spaces that make Mandani Bay residential communities a triumph of modern architecture and future-ready engineering. Carefully designed and curated by some of the world's top builders and planners, the residents at Mandani Bay are luxurious and modern living spaces made with the best practices in sustainable design. A 600-meter water frontage that provides stunning view of the coast and surrounding skyline. The waterfront and boardwalk defines the development. The highlight and foreground of Mandani Bay. The waterfront, a sweeping scenic view of the Mactan Channel. The boardwalk runs along this expanse that will occupy 2.5 hectares of the entire township of Mandani Bay. So where I'm walking right now, this is the boardwalk of Mandani Bay, wherein you do have a very nice scenery of the Mactan Channel. Now, if you love to run or jog early in the morning or probably the afternoon, this is the right place for it. Also features green spaces that would include jogging path, networks of bike lanes, and will be sporting terraces-like designs. The best boardwalk in Metro Cebu that shows everyone the beauty of the Mactan Channel. Live your passion at Mandani Bay. Transforming Cebu into a world-class lifestyle destination by HT Land.